Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to send a message to a new group on the Instagram app for PC using the latest update. Whether you want to chat with friends, family, or colleagues, this quick guide will have you messaging groups in no time. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the left side menu where you'll find the Messenger icon. Click on Messenger to open your direct messages. Next, to start a new group chat, click on the New Message icon. This is usually represented by a pencil or plus sign. When you click it, a list of your Instagram contacts will appear. Here you can select all the accounts you want to include in your new group. Just click on each name to add them to the group. After selecting your contacts, click the Chat button to create the group conversation. You'll be taken to a new chat window where you can start typing your message. Now, write your message in the text box at the bottom of the screen. Once you're happy with what you've written, click Send. Your message will instantly be delivered to everyone in the group. And that's it! You've successfully sent a message to a new group on Instagram's PC app. This new update makes group messaging straightforward and easy to manage right from your desktop. Feel free to explore the chat options, like sending photos, videos, or even voice messages, to make your conversations more engaging. Group chats are a great way to stay connected and share moments with multiple people at once. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new group messaging experience on Instagram.